Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one on net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Price just pushed up now. It opens and now it pushes up at the upper level of resistance. Now, the upper level of resistance is normally a better entry than entering at the lower level. And at this point, we are getting this bearish engulfing pattern again. This one closed on Friday, and that, of course, didn't play out. Now, this one right here, since we are overbought in the RSI, with that we had bearish engulfer. It's also one more entry condition. As you can see, the previous price pushed down nicely and massively from this level. That is why this level is a level of significance. Now, we have one bearish signal, which is the 382 pin bar. With that, we are getting this bearish engulfing pattern. That is a solid signal for the price to give us some sort of retracement. Now, this is retracement. I'm not expecting a full reversal. I'm actively looking for my buy trades as well. Let's say we have a solid retracement above 50 or 20 EMA follows engulfing pattern, and I'll be going long again using 1 to 2 ATR for the target. For this entry, if that turns out to be a bearish engulfer, normally it's 1 ATR above or 1 ATR simply for my entry condition. Again, that's not a full reversal, but an entry that's enough to cut my profits. Now, if you're not an aggressive trader and want to get a double confirmation, in that case, you must wait for the price to form a double top pattern. For example, the price pushes down, retest again, that is a solid condition for natural gas, because in that case, we have a double top. And with double top, if we have divergence in the RSI, that can become a very solid signal. So keep an eye on this bearish engulfer, expecting a retracement again. Since we are in this level, I'm still looking at this level for my sell trades, but that would be a better entry again than this one. And double top will be a double confirmation and a better entry for less aggressive trader. Now remember, if we are broken above these highs, let's say this entry won't play out and we are above these highs, in that case the price will turn completely bullish, and we are then looking at the next level, which is right up there, which I'll keep you guys informed, and I'll adjust this level as well. And then in that case, we'll use the level below as a trend continuation support to buy this market till the next level. For now, expecting a retracement and then a push back up. Buy well above 50 EMA, sell with this bearish engulfer, a retracement to go short. So keep an eye here. And now NEMIX, we are still inside as well, getting a similar condition, which is a bearish engulfer after this 382 pin bar. So both are a valid bearish conditions. We are still inside this level, and I'm expecting a solid push down from here. But this level must close as a bearish engulfing pattern. Again, double top is something which is less aggressive and a strongest signal. Now, on price broken above the resistance. In that case, I'll be looking at this level. Now, my next resistance is right up there. I'm no longer looking for sell trades on Oana, but instead I'll be looking for a solid retracement above 50 EMA or back to the zone follows engulfing pattern to go long. So on one, I'm just looking for buy trade, but I want to see a solid pullback to go long, which is my pullback entry bullish. For M6 audience, right here, that's a level above from where I'll be looking to sell. Next, now I'll be looking for the pullback entry bullish only, but expecting some sort of retracement. Looking at this 382 pin bar, a correction is something I'm now expecting. Look at its overbought, look at its bearish condition I'm getting on these platforms. Now remember, if this candle turns out to be a solid and strong big candle, I won't enter straight away. In that case, price might push back up. So if that stays as a small bearish candle, not a big one, that's a solid condition. Otherwise, we can look for the double top as well, and I'll be entering at the half of this candle if that's a very big candle. Next up, we have gold. Gold is form a symmetrical triangle pattern. Now that breakout is something I'll be looking at. Again, guys, that's still a sell signal for me, and I'll see how it goes. If you have a solid close above this pattern, in that case, we have a confirmation the price will likely to push up. And if the close happens above 50 EMA, that's a complete reversal, and we can see a possible continuation towards the upside. Now, if we have a breakout below, we can see a possible push down back to the support, which is right here, these numbers in blue, from where we can expect a possible bounce. So we'll see where it breaks above or below. That will decide the direction above or below. For now, that looks bearish to me, a sell signal, which is a strong bearish engulfing pattern and double top right here as well. Silver, as mentioned yesterday, I'll be looking for the right shoulder completion, and with that, I'll be looking for my bullish engulfer to go long. Either that, or once we are completely broken and close above this green box, in that case, the price will turn completely bullish. So buy will only happen above this green box or from this zone with bullish engulfing pattern. That is all I'm looking at. Till then, I'll be waiting for the price to give me a valid conditions. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil is still there, and we are still waiting for the price to form what? Form a double top pattern. And we are almost there, and we're waiting with patience. Once we are here, look for solid rejection like bearish engulfer or 382 bearish candle. That is all I'm looking at. Till then, I'm waiting for the price to form and give me a condition right here. Otherwise, if we are broken above these highs with a solid momentum, we will turn completely bullish and I'll be looking for the buy trades only, or broken below these lows will be sell condition. For now, wait and see if the price forms a double top pattern here or not. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.